it's been quite a journey over the past, 6 months being, having to relearn everything again with recording, composing, and, mixing. I mean, those are all things I just, much like anything else, if you don't flex that muscle, you sort of lose it. So just kind of getting back into things and, you know, getting a full album done, getting accepted by a library, just to have that all happen within 6 months is kind of mind blowing. So, I know that you try to say that the hard work does come from me. So, but I'm just really grateful for the community that you've created, because I just think there's so much power in that, beyond just making cool music. There's power in other people coming together, having a similar goal, having similar interests, and being able to share that on your platform. I always try to say that you have to have a bigger why than just wanting to play music because you like music. I mean, great. I mean, I think we all start there, but having a bigger why when you're thinking about getting into sync licensing is probably going to carry you further than just making cool music. Because granted, yeah, we all have our own skill sets in certain musical genres that that kind of keep us fired up. But with what we're doing here in sync licensing, I mean, you've got to treat it like a job. I mean, you can't just sort of casually and passively think that, oh, well, when I get inspired, then I'll, pump out some tracks, or, when I have more time, then I'll, start to take it more seriously. It's like there's never a better time than now.